So welcome to Techie Rocky. You're watching this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use any app in the landscape or the portrait mode. So just use your imagination. Suppose if app doesn't support rotation, just select the auto rotation. So any app will be rotated when this app is turned on. So if you want this, just keep watching this video. So like this, for installing this app, just go to the Play Store and search for the force rotation. The first step is yours. This is the auto screen orientation. Just install it. You need to enable all the permission like this. And also enable the permission in the app info. You can find out. So just enable the first. And here you can see you can add apps in it. You can also set default profile, and you can also set individual apps for more customized features. So here you can see this is the Rush, that is a video editor. If any video editor doesn't support the landscape mode, then you can use this to support landscape. And I'm going to show you my apps that I added already and already assigned the sensor, like landscape, portrait. PUBG is in the portrait, Instagram is the landscape. I can also assign the sensor, that is the follow system setting, and TikTok in the landscape. Now it's dead. And Facebook in the landscape, YouTube Studio in the landscape. YouTube Studio really nice, you can use it in the landscape. So this is the Mewtwo video editor. You can see you can edit this video. And now before the force rotation, you can see you can't rotate this app. Like you can see no rotation available, but after enabling the force rotation, just enable the app and you will see rotation already rotated this app. The 90-degree rotated, and this is the landscape. And you can edit this video really nice. This is the best video editor, I think, the free video editor I mean, where you can cut any part of the video. KineMaster doesn't allow you to cut any part of the video, like it only allows you to cut 1.5 second or 1 second, but this will allow 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 second cut. Split and delete it. So yeah, you can use this video editor to shorten your video if your video has the many mistakes. And you can see the screen recording of this. And now you can add many apps that you want. That just depends on your imagination, what apps you really want to use in the landscape mode. Spotify is not worth it, but YouTube Studio may be worth it, that use in the landscape mode. You can see you can interact with it really nice, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. You can see I make regular tech videos. So in the Instagram you can see the landscape. Maybe you will not like it, but here's something new that you must really need to try it. So Instagram in the landscape mode. Help in some cases, but not as the regular case. So here you can see there's no lag in it, no bug in it, just really smooth, and everything's really nice. You can use this app. And for closing this settings, you need to watch the end. So you can see TikTok in the landscape mode, Facebook in the landscape mode. Maybe Facebook supports landscape mode by default, I don't know, but I'm using force rotation to rotate Facebook app. So yeah, that's it. Screen recording, you can see, and PUBG in the portrait mode. For closing this app, just notification and select close app. and you can also force close this app by the app info. That really depends on your system. So thanks for watching. Hope you really like this video and subscribe this channel for more and more